Discover the hottest new taco spot in Mexico City, Tacos Atarantados. Everyone's talking about this fresh taco joint for its top-notch quality and incredible variety of tacos. Let's dive right into the food. To kick things off, I was highly recommended the spicy fries, and wow, they did not disappoint. That perfect touch of heat with the crispy fries, I love them. Next, I went for the trompo surtido platter, which offers the four signature meats of the house: arrachera, pastor, trompo negro, and la ramos. While they were all tasty, the la ramos, which is pork rind, and arrachera stood out with their spectacular flavors. Another iconic dish here is called la cachetada, which comes with cheese and jocoque, which is strained yogurt. I decided to get mine with a campechana style, mixing meats. But the real surprise of the night was this outrageous dessert I've never tried before, the cachetada de Gloria. It's a flour tortilla with melted mozzarella cheese, topped with Gloria, a sweet treat, and cajeta, caramel sauce. Wow, I can't even describe how incredible this surreal combination was. Definitely a must try. I really enjoyed this place, but a word of advice: come with plenty of patience, since it's one of the newest taco spots in the city. The wait time is at least 30 minutes.